but it's actually the evening. So we're about 2 days out from our trip to Puerto Rico.
And clearly we're excited.
Yep, we're in the middle of a Ontario windstorm outside, so it's minus some 5-10 degrees, but freezing rain, so everything is encased in like 2 centimeters of ice.
Basically a skating rink wherever you go.
So on Friday we take off to Puerto Rico, and where it's 30 degrees, sunny, beaches, and party. Okay, so this trip for us is going to be a road trip. So the goal is to pack light and breezy.
So as we said, we want to pack super light just because we're going to be traveling around to a lot of different places, and we don't want to be lugging a lot of really heavy luggage around with us. So to start, one of the things that we're going to be using are these fabulous lug bags. We got these for Christmas. We both have the same one, so it's really awesome because we match. Anyway, these bags are really great because they have a whole bunch of pockets on the inside, and you can see there's a whole bunch of different pockets literally on the outside, pockets everywhere. And at the back they even have like a little shoe pocket to put your shoes in so they don't touch your clothes. So we're basically going to use these as our carry-on bags and try and fit all of our stuff into this, which is another reason why we're packing really light. So as for clothing, we're taking minimal clothes with us. We've got, some pairs of pants for hiking, some shorts because it's going to be really hot, a couple of tank tops, and then I personally packed a dress for if we go somewhere at night that's kind of nicer. Obviously Andy's not going to be packing a dress. He'll probably pack a nice shirt and shorts. Shoes wise, we will be wearing our running shoes on the airplane to save space in our bags because they are the bulkier shoes that we're taking. We are taking running shoes because we're going to be doing a bunch of hiking, and proper footwear is key. We are also taking water shoes with us. We're going to be going to a couple of different waterfalls, and we don't want to cut our feet on any sharp rocks that could be in the area, so we always take our water shoes with us in those scenarios. Good thing is they don't take up too much space either. We've got a couple of bathing suits because we're going to have some days at the beach. And then something new that we're actually trying is these microfiber towels. So the great thing is they're super light. We got them at Costco. We have yet to try them out, so this will be the first time that we're trying them. But we've heard great reviews on them, that they soak up water really well and they clean off really well. So we'll be trying these out on our trip this time.
Alright, so I'm in charge of the electronics department, and the very first thing that I always pack is my trusty power bank. So we got this one a couple of years ago. It's from RAV Power, and this little thing is really nice. It's got some indicators. We'll definitely have to charge this up before we leave, but it's basically USB. It outputs tons of amperage, so we can pretty much charge all our electronics. For the camera, because we're going to be going places and probably out all day, we got a little charger, which again takes a little USB, and 2 extra batteries in addition to the one that came with the camera. Cable management and miscellaneous things. Our lug bag came with this handy little pouch, which I've already have one of my USB cables in there. This is going to allow us to charge on the go. Hydration. We always take a water bottle. Now, this one is just a normal water bottle which takes hot or cold water, and it does a really great job at keeping your beverage very cold or hot. The new addition to our hydration kit is this little S Pro on-the-go thermos. Now, the really cool thing about this is it's actually a French press! So Tia and I are both obsessed with coffee. We enjoy our morning coffee, afternoon coffee, evening coffee, and just coffee in general. But a lot of places that we go to don't actually have a huge coffee culture. For example, our Beijing trip was very difficult to find coffee in the morning. So Tia got me this. Actually, she got one for each of us, and we tried it out. Turns out really good. Very handy right in the morning. Put the grinds in, put water in, and here we go. Okay, the very next thing is our equipment for editing. We have some wireless headphones from AKGs. These were from Costco. They're about 100 bucks Canadian. Bluetooth, easily paired, and the battery lasts a long time, which is super nice. And lastly, our computers. Both of us got Microsoft Surfaces. These are Surface Books, and we're going to be bringing one of them. A very handy, powerful computer, has a battery in the base, a battery up here, and they actually detach, like so. So we're able to use them both as a computer or as a tablet, which is super convenient. Last but not least, a little backpack. I bought this. It's called an Index 15 from Arc'teryx. This is a really awesome bag. It just scrunches up into a little ball and fits right in with into our bag.
So the last thing that we want to talk about is toiletries. You'll probably have noticed that we didn't mention them in our packing, and that's because apart from the essentials like our toothbrush and toothpaste, we typically tend to not pack too many toiletries because usually wherever we're going, we'll have some sort of grocery store and we can buy that stuff there. That is another great tip on keeping your luggage light and not overpacking. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
And if you're interested in any of the products, we'll link them below.
Good morning! Except it's not actually morning.
That was my line.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll start again.